Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Windows Server. From today onwards, we will learn Windows Server completely from the basic to the advanced level. If you are learning the cloud, means it is the most important subject we can say. So let's start with the first question. What is the Windows Server? So Windows Server is the Microsoft operating system that is specially designed to manage the users, resources, and the security networking centrally in an organization. It provides many services like Active Directory, DNS, and file sharing, and security and management. If you don't know what is the Active Directory, DNS, and all those things, don't worry. In our upcoming class, we are going to learn all those things in a deep. So it is basically a Microsoft operating system that managing everything. Everything means users, computers, and networking resources. Everything it is managing centrally. Centrally means you will understand. Okay, with a real world example. So let's start. Okay. Okay, let's take in a company. In your company, 200 employees are there. If he's working means he should have a laptop with him, right? 200 employees are there in your company and 200 employees are there, 200 laptops are there. Let's take to all the 200 employees, they should have some software, they should have some password policies, they should have some security, right? So if you are going and picking each laptop one by one, let's take you are a administrator and you are taking one by one laptop and you are installing all the software and you are setting the password rules and you are applying some of the securities to that one. Here you are managing individually, right? You are managing individually and it is the time consuming, right? It is the time consuming and more effort it needed, all right? So here where the Windows server will comes to the picture, means here the Windows server is there and we are connecting that to the all the 200 laptops, all right? All the 200 laptops we are connecting to that Windows server. And if you are connecting to that Windows server means the automatically the software are installing and automatically the password rules are applied and automatically the security will be applied to all the 200 laptops, right? What it is doing, it eliminating the managing the individual system and it reduce the effort and it will reduce the time, right? So the Windows server is helping us to manage centrally, right? It is help us to manage the centrally all the devices, right? So let's take if you are doing manually means, if you are doing manually means, let's take you are having 1,000 employees, 1,000 laptops are there. For 1,000 laptops you need to install all the software manually, right? So it is a hectic and complex, right? It is increasing the workload on administrator, right? So the Windows server eliminating all those things and it is managing everything like a users, computers, and the security and access permissions, everything it is managing, right? So this is how the Windows server will comes to the picture. Why companies uses the Windows server means it is a helpful, right? We saw that one. It is managing the users and providing the security and the centralized control. It is providing a network management and file sharing. Everything it is automatically managing. So that's why the companies is using this Windows server. So give me an answer. What problem it is solving? Means Windows server. What problem it is solving? So let me know in the comments. Okay, I already told you, right, while giving an example, right, what problem it is solving. It is solving or it is eliminating the need to manage the system, right, every system individually, which saves the time and makes the management easier. So this is eliminating, right? So this is a basic thing about the Windows Server. In the upcoming days, we will learn the Windows Server architecture and the Windows Server. In that, we are having some of the topics like AD, DNS, and all those things you are going to learn. If you are starting the cloud, like a multi-cloud means, this is the core subject that is the most important. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.